How to use the low-file chat theme on Facebook Messenger. Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can simply change your current theme to the low-file chat theme on Facebook Messenger. It's quite simple and easy, just follow these simple steps. So first you're gonna do, you need to open up the Messenger application and let's select some conversation, and next what I'm gonna do, I need to tap on conversation name on the top of the screen, and here I need to tap on theme option, and here I can select low file chat theme. Here I see how it will looks like, and I just tap on select, and let's check how it worked. Yes, we see that chat theme was successfully changed for the low-file chat theme. Make sure you like this video if it was helpful for you. See you next time.